Can you install iOS 17 on iPhone 8 and iPhone 7? So let's get started. Apple officially dropped support for the iPhone 7 and iPhone 8 with the release of iOS 17, which means these models are not eligible to receive the updates through standard means. iPhone 8 and iPhone 7 are not supported for iOS 17 officially. If you want iOS 17 features, then you will have to get a new iPhone. For the full iOS 17 experience, consider upgrading to a supported device such as iPhone XR, XS, or newer models. So, that is it. To make your iPhone 7 or 8 feel fresh, you can also optimize storage and clear cache, replace the battery, use lightweight apps designed for the older iOS versions. But in summary, you cannot download iOS 17 features. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.